Talentless Maker here. Now, as I forgot to shoot an introduction to this video, I thought I'd do a mid one. You know what I mean. So this is a video about doing the interior painting and the doors. So imagine these are all in white PLA. I've gone on, done coat prime, done some leveling. Not perfect, but it'll do. It looks good. I've done the silver. I'm going to paint the interiors, seats, and the steering wheel. Cool. So that's the end of part 2. Now we're getting there, definitely getting there, starting to look pretty good now. Most of the paint job is done on the inside. The engine bay is mostly done, might do a few more touch-ups in there, but pretty pleased with it so far. And the rear lights need to go over them. There she is so far. Let's put the doors on. The doors are press fit, press not fit. There we go, press fit. That keeps breaking off. I'm gonna have to glue that for like the 4th time. But there she is, my DeLorean. Not perfect. Some of the details are a bit squidgy, but overall, she is pretty. Okay, so that's part 2. So part 3 is going to be putting the lights in. So the mounts for the lights are all there. There's one down there, 2 pointing backwards, 1 into the flux capacitor, 1 into Mr. Fusion, and 1 each for the headlights and 1 for the strip on the front. There you go. So that's it. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, do all that stuff that YouTubers normally ask you to do, and it would make me very happy. paint them. See you next time.